Hello friends, welcome to the session. Now we will start with our paper number 2. The name of the paper is Elementary Probability Theory. So this elementary probability theory is related with semester 1 paper number 2, and this paper is solely related with elementary probability theory. Friends, you may be wondering about what is actually meant by probability. And if you know, there are some day-to-day life examples where we can say that it may rain today, probably I will get a first class in the examination. India might draw or win the cricket match against Australia, and so on. In this case, we have seen the probability word is related with possibility. The probability word is related with the chance. So what it means? It may rain today. Means there is a possibility that there will be a rain today. So this is a possibility. This is a chance. And you may know well about this probability because whenever the cloud is of dark in nature, you can say that there is a possibility of rain. Otherwise, so if it is clear, if the cloud is clear, you can say that there is no possibility of a rain. So probability or possibility or chance is the term which normally used in the future tense. In the future tense means there is a possibility that I will get first class. There is a possibility that India will win this cricket match against Australia. So these are the possibilities, these are the probabilities. So no one can say accurately about what will be the outcome of the experiment. So in all these above cases, there is involved an element of uncertainty. So always in the case of probability, there exists the element of uncertainty. And a numerical measure of uncertainty is provided by a very important branch of statistics called the theory of probability. So whenever we are interested in the numerical measure of this uncertainty, so whenever we are interested in estimating the uncertainty, so this branch of statistics, that is theory of probability, provides us an opportunity to measure this uncertainty. So the uncertainty can be estimated by using the theory of probability. And this paper deals with the elementary probability theory. So friends, in this elementary probability theory, there are two units. The first unit is again comprises of two subunits. The first subunit is sample space and events, and the second subunit is probability. And there is one more unit which is the part of this paper is related with two subunits. So one is conditional probability and the second one is independence of events. So now we can start with the sample space and events. We will first discuss the sample space and events, and then we will go in understanding what is the probability and what are the theorems which are related with the probability. So what is meant by an experiment? So we can see this. We can see uh, first what is actually meant by an experiment, and once we complete this part of understanding what is meant by an experiment, then it is easy for us to go and understand all the related terms which are there